decided.
What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna go on a quick little ride to Walmart and the meat market. We're gonna meet up with BakaMoto. Haven't ridden with someone in a while, so it should be interesting. Doing some last minute Valentine's Day shopping, and I heard the line is terrible over there, so this is what I get. Instead of celebrating it on Wednesday, I'm actually going to do it today. Today's Tuesday, the day before. If your relationships made it past one Valentine's Day, it's because you took it seriously. So I've got a girlfriend, BakaMoto's got a girlfriend. We've been with them for a while, so little shit like this you got to do. So I'm thinking today I'm going to buy one of those big ass teddy bears, the big ones, and I'm going to see if I can get it home on a motorcycle because I don't have a car, so it should be interesting. So yeah, he told me to meet him up here, so I didn't text him. Hopefully he just shows up. He said give him like 20 minutes, so. Oh fuck, look who showed up just in time. Damn, I was almost empty. Oh, well, extra splash in there. Just in time, dude. I didn't even look at the phone. I was just like, I should just leave. What's up, man? Oh, your bike looks clean. I haven't seen it in a long time. Huh? Oh, you did? What? Took them off? Yeah. Is it scary?
Oh, dude, I keep thinking there's cops behind me.
Yeah. That's the only reason I can't get rid of mine. I really want to.
The bar ends don't fit on the dirt bike car. You have to get an adapter.
Okay.
So, and these look ugly. So.
Yeah. Dang. Do you have like a little like a screw thing here? On the, like that you could put a bolt in?
No, it's like, you know the dirt bike pieces that have a piece that goes out here and protects
Yeah.
You put that, but you only put this piece.
Okay.
Take the end cap off.
Yeah. Oh shit, okay. Huh.
We'll see.
What are you doing for Valentine's Day?
I don't know.
Time to figure it out?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just get her one of those big ass.
Dude, that's exactly what I was gonna do and try and tie the arms around me or something.
Where are we going?
Walmart, I guess. Which one do you want to go to? Let's go to the one on Herndon and Ingram or whatever it is. But we'll turn on Palm. Shit, that was quick. Yeah, so like all the power I lost at the bottom end is all back now. Like even when I started up the bike for the first time, it smelled like it did when I bought it new. Like it had that new engine smell. So I like it brought a little tear to my eye.
It's not making that weird ass sound anymore either.
Huh?
It's not making
the vibrating? Yeah. I think that was the spark plug.
Oh, okay.
So I think it's all fixed now. Don't fuck your forks up. We'll find out. I tucked it down so I could see through the mirrors, so. Dude, we might have to take Bullard back. Dude, I got this. No problem. No problem.
Holy fucking shit, it's a dinosaur. Really, nigga?
Maybe not the best idea. Yeah, but we're good. We're good. Oh shit. Yeah, that was not safe. So I just gotta take it out of the steering column anytime I turn, and then after then I can just tuck it back under. That's what dude, I was like, any way I put it, it's gonna look gay. Yeah. Or suggestive.
Yeah, close your visor real quick.
Oh, Jesus. Other than that one time of it blowing up against my face, which completely blocked my field of view, which is probably highly illegal, this has gone pretty smoothly.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks, don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Nope. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright then. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.